Ever wondered how mechanical engineering continues to be significant in this age of rapid technological advancement? Well, it's simple. Mechanical engineering is the bedrock of many industries and its relevance cannot be overstated. This field plays a pivotal role in product manufacturing, ensuring the efficiency, durability, and quality of goods. In the realm of energy production, mechanical engineers are the unsung heroes, devising innovative solutions to optimize power generation and consumption. As for infrastructure development, mechanical engineering is integral to building our world, from skyscrapers to bridges and everything in between. Consider the automotive industry, where mechanical engineers design and refine vehicles for optimal performance. In aerospace, they're breaking new ground, contributing to our exploration of the cosmos. And let's not forget renewable energy, where mechanical engineering is key to harnessing the power of nature for sustainable living. Thus, mechanical engineering, with its broad and versatile applications, remains a cornerstone in our technologically driven society. Now, let's dive into the main subjects of mechanical engineering and understand their relevance in the industry. First up is thermodynamics, the science of energy and its transformations. It's all about heat, work, temperature, and how they're connected. Picture a car engine, a refrigerator, or a power plant. Thermodynamics is at the heart of these systems, guiding the conversion of fuel into useful energy or the transfer of heat from one place to another. Next, we have fluid mechanics, a subject that explores the behavior of gases and liquids. Have you ever wondered how oil flows through pipelines or how air flows over a car's surface? That's fluid mechanics in action. It's crucial in designing efficient pipelines, aircraft, and even wind turbines. Then there's mechanics of materials, the study of how materials deform under various types of stress and strain. It's like the DNA of any mechanical design, helping engineers select the right materials for specific applications. Think about the structural integrity of a bridge or the durability of a machine component. That's where mechanics of materials comes into play. Lastly, we have machine design. This is where all the previous subjects come together. Machine design involves creating detailed plans for mechanical equipment. Whether it's designing a new engine for a car, a gear system for a bicycle, or a conveyor belt for an assembly line, machine design is the key. These subjects aren't just academic exercises, they have tangible applications in the real world. From automotive design, where thermodynamics and machine design help in creating more efficient engines, to HVAC systems, where fluid mechanics is used to optimize airflow, and power plants, where all these subjects play a significant role in maximizing efficiency and safety. The knowledge of these subjects empowers mechanical engineers to develop innovative solutions and contribute to technological advancements in various industries. So, we have explored the significance of mechanical engineering and its main subjects in today's industry. We delved into the pivotal role this branch of engineering plays in shaping the modern industrial landscape. From thermodynamics to fluid mechanics, each subject has its unique application and relevance. We discussed how these subjects are not just theoretical concepts confined to textbooks, but are crucial tools used in solving real-world problems. We stressed the importance of continuous learning and skill enhancement for engineers to stay relevant in this fast-paced industry. We have seen how mechanical engineering, despite being one of the oldest branches of engineering, remains indispensable due to its wide-ranging applications. As we wrap up, let's remember, it is the knowledge and skills of individuals like you that keep the wheels of industry turning. Mechanical engineering, with its wide-ranging applications, continues to be a key player in the industry, shaping our world and driving innovation. Stay curious, keep learning, and remember, every gear in the machine matters.